Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Uh, for the new subscribers, appreciate you guys subscribing. I appreciate that. And this video is pretty short and plain forward. So, recently, the car industry, they're pretty much not making more production for some time. I mean, it's not Toyota. I know Honda as well. I mean, if they cut off their production by 50,000 vehicles, I assume all their vehicles also cut off their production as well, because think about it, inflation, people been waiting 2, 3, 4 months to receive their car. No, Audi, some guy was waiting 9 months. He waited 9 months to get his Audi. So it's like they gotta pick up the speed with the people who's been waiting for their cars. So car prices might go up. So yeah, and also it's crazy. If you might see a car for 28,000 MSRP after delivery and all that stuff, don't forget you gotta add the markup. Every state has different markup. Then you gotta add taxes to it. Then you gotta add DMV fees, registration fees, all their kind of, some of us call like BS fees, you know. So all that kind of stuff is in there. Prep fees, it's crazy. So from 28, you might end up having to pay like 34, 35, depending on the markup. And comment below what your state, mostly when you've been to a dealership, what was the markup. You know, comment below if it was like a $2,000 markup, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because I've heard some people commented before my previous videos. I think there was a 7 and a 10K markup. I forgot what vehicle that was, but if you guys have experienced it and went to a dealership and you got the crazy markup, comment below. I really want to know, okay? Because in New York, I'm only seeing minimum 1,000 and then maximum they start off at 2,000 to 3,000. But if they really gotta let the car go, they might just let it go for 1,000 above MSRP. And that's about it. So yeah, fam, it's crazy out there. So stay safe, don't get hit by anybody, drive safe, because even if you end up going to the mechanic shop or a body shop, that's still gonna take time, because parts are also pre-ordered if they're special. So be careful out there. Hey, that's all I had to say. So peace out until next time, fam. I appreciate the support. Videos will be coming up. Great videos coming up. I'm currently working on editing it, so I'm super busy with the family and the new baby, of course. It's hectic, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. If you haven't done so yet, I appreciate that. Do it. If you don't, whatever. But I would appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything to do that, literally. And yeah, I'm working on some cool videos coming up. All right, peace out until next time, fam.